How to fix your Cleo app responses not loading. So in here, the very first thing that I recommend you guys do is simply get to your app store just like this, search for Cleo, and in here, if there are any sort of update available, you'll be able to see update, tap on it, and then update your application. So after doing that, if it's still not working, then what you can do is go back to your settings, and then from here, what you're going to do is simply tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and in here, simply search for Cleo. So after searching for Cleo, tap on offload app one more time and simply offload the application. Tap on reinstall app in order to reinstall the application one more time. This way all of your apps cache will be cleared, right? So after doing that, if it's still not working, then simply check your internet. Make sure to open other applications to make sure or ensure that your internet is working fine. So you can even scroll down through your control panel and then tap on the airplane icon and then open it for at least 10 seconds. Tap on it again and turn it off, and then this will actually reset all of your network settings, and that way I'm pretty sure that your Cleo will start working. So if it's still not working, then you can simply try to reach out to Cleo Support via the built-in chat or messenger platforms, and I'm pretty sure that they will be able to help you out. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.